Yes, people, good afternoon. Yes, man. So right now, me in the kitchen. Me about to look after something quick and simple. Right now, me gonna look after some basmati rice in coconut milk and corned beef put together with baked bean. Yeah, man, this is gonna be quick and simple. Stick and stay and watch what go on. Alright, so there, put on the water for the rice already, you know, guys. Me already washed the rice. Yes, so I don't know how it thing go. So I want to just stick and stay for me and watch what go on. Big up on yourself. Alright, guys, so right now I put some salt in the pot. Throw some coconut powder in the pot already. So I season up the pot now. Don't want too much salt, you know, guys. So after that now I'll get some butter in it, you know. And a little all-purpose seasoning. Little butter. Chiffon. Just a little, guys, just a little. Alright, my people, stick and stay. Okay, guys, so the rice is in the pot. Put a piece of scallion in it and a hot pepper just to get the flavor. So I'm gonna stick and stay and watch it. Alright, guys, so I fluff the rice now, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna go taste it if it's alright. Or if it can steam down some more. Yes, cause in the meanwhile I was getting the season cut up. So I can, you know, cook down the salting as gone to the olden days people them. So I'm gonna stick and stay. Watch what I go on. Remember, you know, guys, I say something quick and simple way I deal with. Nothing too hard, you know. Alright, guys, so see the seasoning them now. I have red, green, yellow bell pepper along with some scallion, thyme, and a peg of garlic. Oh, I forget my onion. I'm gonna put a onion in a hit too, guys. So stick and stay and watch what I go on. Alright, guys, so change of plan. Right now, I'm gonna get the curry in the oil, you know, guys, because a curry corned beef mixed with baked bean. Yes. Try something new today, you know, guys. Remember, guys, when you not use curry, better pack curry. It's always the better one. Alright. So now let the curry burn a little, guys, when you drop in the seasoning them. Stick and stay. Alright, guys, so get in the seasoning now. Stir it a little. Yes, guys, now go and turn up the seasoning now and then get the oil flavored. So this is a new thing, guys. If you want to try it, curry corned beef, it's up to you if you want to try it. Yes, my people, so I'm going to put in the corned beef now. You can use any corned beef of your choice. Alright, so guys, I am using a Eve baked bean. So as I say guys, you can use any of your choice. So I'll go ahead now, pour out the baked bean inside the corned beef. Some water there. Water. Yes, my people, so tell me how that look to you now. Yeah man, leave it in the comment section how this look. And if you ever have had curry corned beef before. Oh guys, and I forgot to tell you that I put on some sweet potato as well. So as I say guys, that's something quick, you know, and simple, you know. Yes man, stick and stay and watch what I go on. So yes guys, you see it? Have the rich curry flavor, you know. Yeah man, and it tastes really good. So guys, right now I'm gonna share the food and then you know we see what I go on. Alright? Stick and stay. Well, alright my people. See it there, you know? Yeah man, curried corned beef with baked bean, a slice of sweet potato, and basmati white rice. Yes guys, so right now I will get down into the food. Yeah man, I hope you guys enjoy this little cooking video. Yeah man, always remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up yourself.